Okay, so we are here in the Magma Village. Okay, so we will be finding a hidden weapon shop here in Magma Village. Okay, the hidden shop is located at the left side of the volcano. Okay, let's try to go at the left side of the volcano. Left side of the volcano. Okay, let's find this part. You can see this one. On this you cannot see, but it can be seen if you move around like this one. Okay, so this is located at the left side of the volcano. So let's go inside. Okay, so you can find a living skeleton that is selling a weapon. And let's try to talk with it, interact. Okay, so sword, the name of the sword is soaking. If you know Brook from One Piece, that the one that is holding that sword. Okay, so this sword has a price of $750,000. Okay, but I already purchased this sword, so I will show you the sword. Okay, let's go to the item, and then the soul king. Okay, so this is you can see this is the sword. Okay, we can use the skills. We have soul beam. Okay, I will not get master the 120 ultimate, so we cannot use the ultimate. Let's call it soul slashes. Okay, so the shop is located on the very left side of the volcano, this side. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe my video.